Blackstone Betty. It's the afternoon, which means it's coffee time. I just picked up Kira, and before my son gets home, we love making a sweet treat to go along with our coffee using the Stone Fire naan bread. Sweeten it up with the Blackstone Snickerdoodle seasoning. This stuff is delicious. This one is super easy and simple. I know you guys are gonna love this easy little sweet treat, so join me for coffee and dessert. This sweet treat could not be any easier. It is so fast and simple. It starts off with our bite-sized naan breads. These are so versatile in what you can use them for, whether you're using them for a sweet treat or a salty, savory snack. We'll turn our E-series on to 325 to preheat. You can also do this outside on your traditional Blackstone griddle. We're gonna drop down about a tablespoon of unsalted butter and smear that all over the surface and allow that to begin to melt. You'll begin to see little bubbles. That's when you know it's time to drop down your bite-sized naan. We're gonna rub these all over that butter to ensure that each side gets coated. This way our Snickerdoodle seasoning sticks to the surface. As these begin to cook, they turn a nice, beautiful golden brown color and begin to puff up and get real nice and soft as if they just came out of the oven. While they hang out and do their thing on the griddle in that butter, we are going to mix up some of our Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake filling. And you can use any jam or jelly that you have on hand. I love this raspberry hibiscus preserve. We found this at one of our local markets, Carlino's. This mixed together with our cheesecake filling tastes exactly like those raspberry cheese Danish that come in all different brands at the local grocery stores or bakeries. It is so good. You're gonna want your own bowl for yourself to dip in because you will be double dipping. Let's get back to our naans. We'll give them a flip, adding a little butter if needed. You can add anywhere from half a tablespoon to a full tablespoon depending on how dry they look. You want them to glisten and shine with that butter. This way, once we pull them off, the Snickerdoodle seasoning sticks right to them. Now these look perfect, so I'm gonna pull these off, add them to a large mixing bowl, sprinkle on top our Blackstone Snickerdoodle seasoning, give them a toss, and these are ready to serve up alongside that cheesecake raspberry filling. We're of course gonna zhuzh these up with a little powdered sugar that I always keep on hand in my Blackstone shaker, a little extra of our Snickerdoodle seasoning, and these are ready for dipping along sipping our coffee. So I'm gonna go enjoy these. You guys be sure to check out griddlenation.com where you can pick up some swag and some stickers. No, is swag, sticker, and apparel? It's all swag.
I guess, yeah.
Apparel and some stickers. There's tons for you to pick from. Don't forget to check out the recipes up on blackstoneproducts.com. and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss any of these recipes. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you guys in the next video.